What's up, people? We're back again today. Yes, we're back again today. And today we're back again with a stock market live recap. And we're going to check out what's been happening in the market and how we're going to be closing out the week. And it's been crazy, guys. It's been crazy. We have been dropping for days, for weeks, and for months. Okay. Recently, over the past day and a half or so, we have hit some crazy levels we haven't seen for maybe over 2 years on some charts, and some charts it's even worse. Okay, so it's a disaster. It's panic mode for some people. Some people say it's the end, it's over. Some people say it's a recession. It's crazy in the market right now, guys. All right, so we're gonna be looking at the S&P 500 right now, guys, and we're going to look at some key levels on the charts. And I hope everyone is good today. I hope everyone is fine. All right. All right, guys. So currently the S&P, this is on the monthly. That's on the weekly. And it's crazy in the market, guys. I'm telling you, it's been crazy. So on the weekly chart for the S&P 500, guys, it is currently trading right at a key support level. Okay, it's trading at 400. Currently, right now, it's at 401. But if a break and a close below, is definitely going to open the gates for what's this level? I think this is 380, if I'm not mistaken. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm gonna get that for you. All right, so once we break this level, guys, we're definitely going to be looking to test the 350s, 350 gates that we haven't seen since 2020. 2 years ago, we haven't seen those levels on the S&P. So if we break below, we're definitely going to be looking at the COVID levels. All right. It's wild on the daily. So yesterday, which was Thursday, we did definitely break this support level that we had at 400. We definitely broke that level, and we had 4 days of trading below, 5 days of trading just in this range, the 400 and the 385 level. So definitely on the daily time frame, the day traders definitely stepped in and pushed this market up a little bit, and also the long-term buy the dippers, they definitely stepped in on the S&P 500 once it break that critical level of 400, and it definitely hit 385 for sure. So it's crazy, guys, and it's wild in the market right now. And the best thing you can do is get long-term investment on good quality stocks and also dividends as well. And you just keep reinvesting those. You just turn that drip on and you'll be all right once all this headwind in the market has turned. Okay, folks? So let's look at TOT real quick and see what the bond market is telling us and how the chart is looking. All right. So let's look at TOT chart, guys, and see what the bond market is telling us today and how the bond market is reacting to these heavy pains that we're getting, guys. All right. So the bond market is currently it is currently on a waterfall slide going down. It definitely did break its critical support level that it was holding right above Give me one sec, guys. Let me get the price for you. All right. So about 120. All right. So once we broke that 120 on TOT, we definitely came down to 114. But the critical test is going to be at 100. And this is on the weekly. So this could change in no time. All right. We could definitely get more pain next week coming ahead if there's more negative um, environment in the market, more negative news. Anything negative is definitely going to be pushing this market down and to some critical, cheaper levels that we haven't seen for about 2 years now. So right now, the market is currently wiping out all the COVID gains that we had over the past 2 years. Okay. So it's crazy in the market right now, guys. But if you have quality and if you have dividends, you'll definitely be all right. And if you're a long-term investor, you should be okay. So it's been some crazy stuff happening in the market, and it's been a crazy week. And we see that everything is crashing slowly. Everything is slow bleeding. Right now, stocks are functioning like cryptocurrency. All you're getting is some 30% drops, some 20% drops, some 15% drops, some 37% drops on big tech stocks. You got your Amazon, your Google, your Facebooks, your Teslas, whatever is dropping, and they're dropping crazy. You know what I mean? They're acting like crypto. They're getting a rug pull. If you know, you know. So boom, pulling up the Apple chart right now, guys. We currently see that Apple is trading also on the daily. Yesterday, while everything was getting a hit, it also got a hit, and it was trading at a critical level that it hasn't touched since same time period, March. The last time Apple was at 138, 140 level was in the Corona time. In the Corona time, boom, 20 early 2021, then Apple just took off. And now it is currently trading at those level that it was trading for 2 years ago. So I've been waiting for Apple to get to these levels so I can get some more. I'm not gonna lie to you. I think my average is at 148 right now, or yeah, it should be around 148, 147. So right now I'm looking to add anytime Apple goes down, anytime Apple is red, I just buy the dip, and I just take it from there and just hold, collect the dividends, and I just turn my drip on, and then I'm okay. So let's see what Tesla did today, and then we're gonna see what crypto did as well, because there's some crazy movement in cryptocurrency. It has been dropping. Tesla as well. Last time Tesla hit these levels, what everything is at 20 at COVID level right now. So all the COVID gains that we had, all that big run up is definitely we're erasing all those gains in this trading week and in this trading environment. So the crazy part about everything that's going on right now in the market is that how low can we go? You know what I mean? It has been a terrible start to the year. So how much lower can we go in this market? If we get a 350 or a 385 on the S&P 500, definitely look for more of these instruments to get hit as well. Well, it depends on what's driving the market down, and global tensions, and what the economic data is telling us, along with the Federal Reserve and interest rates. So Tesla, all I can say is buy Tesla when it's below 800 for anyone who's looking to get into Tesla. Okay. and you just hold it for the long term. Let's see what BTC did today, how BTC is trading, and when was the last time BTC hit some of these levels. So BTC right now, guys, is currently trading at right in the 29 to 30,000 level, and I think that's a good support level for BTC to hold up. It definitely hit 25,000. There was some crazy thing happening with Tether. We all know Tether is sketchy already, and we all know there is just a matter of time before Tether crack opens. That's all I could say. So it's wild out there in the crypto market, and it's a wild wild west, and it's crazy. And BTC has recovered as well with the stock market. Crypto market has recovered a little bit, so things are not looking that shabby. So I'd rather get BTC. If it hits 20,000, I think it's gonna be eaten up by a lot of institution and a lot of billionaires. And a lot of body dippers are gonna eat that level on BTC. It is looking crazy on this weekly chart. This is gonna be a crazy support level for BTC if it does hit this level. The last time BTC was at 20,000 was 2017, 2018. That's crazy, bro. It's looking peak. And 2020. So, yeah, it's going to be a huge test for BTC if it does hit 20,000. That's going to be a very critical level on BTC. But to me, if it does get to that level, I think a lot of people are going to really, really double dip and take the opportunity on BTC. A lot of people are just cashing out and taking profits right now and going short and liquidating everyone else pretty much. So don't panic in this situation, guys, and don't be nervous. If you have good cryptos and if you have good stocks, you should be fine. Just reinvest your dividends and have your monthly budget and your plan to how much you're going to be investing in your stocks, and you hold it for the long term. These are times for you to be double dipping and holding out for when the recovery is going to happen. That's the long term vision. So don't go out and spend all your money. If you have enough where you could double dip, you go ahead and do so. But if you can't, you stay within your budget. It's all up to you. So if you make 100 a month, you put $5 into your stocks every month and you keep it like that. It doesn't matter what environment you're in the market. So you just always look for the good opportunity to get yourself in. And this is a good entry for people who are trying to come into the market at this time and right now. This is a good entry point. This is an entry point that we have gotten 2 years ago. So, and on some charts as well, it takes us all the way back to 2018, 2019, since we've seen those price actions on some charts as well. Okay, so let's see what the dollar is doing and how dollar is performing, because with all these, man, I see dollar is moving wild, guys. The dollar is headed for 110. If we continue to fold in the market, the dollar is definitely gonna skyrocket to 110. You get what I mean? So the dollar is looking really, really bullish, and it's looking really, really strong right now. So if you're a forex trader and you want to trade the dollar, definitely I would be buying the dollar for it to hit 110 with all this negativity that's coming out in the market. As I told you, we also got Powell coming up in the next meeting next month. So until then, guys, I think we're gonna continue to drop. and we're gonna continue to fall, and it's gonna look ugly. But it's a great opportunity for you to get yourself in the market and get your skin into the game. And if you're a long termer and if you got good stocks, it's a pretty good time, guys, for you to be buying these dips and getting your dividends, and also buying for a cheaper price. You can never get go wrong with that. So let's look at Disney, because Disney is at a crazy level as well. Whew. Disney, Disney, Disney. Disney's moving wild. Disney's at 2020 levels. So 2 years of gains has been erased. Amazon. Who is it? Oh man. Amazon is not that broken still. It still have a long way to go before it hit 2020 levels. It still got some more dropping to go. It did fill this gap right here though at 2000. It did fill that gap. So let's all see if it's gonna continue to bleed. See, we gapped up. Yep, we gapped up from COVID levels, and now we're erasing those gains. So it's looking pretty wild out there, guys. And I know if you have invested over the last 2 years, you're probably down. You're probably down a lot. I'm not gonna lie. And you're probably pissed and mad, but don't be, all right. If you don't need it right now, just keep it in. The best thing you can do is do nothing. Pretty much, don't do nothing. Just leave it to time. If it's a good quality company, it's gonna recover. But if it's one of those unprofitable trash companies, it's not gonna survive. I'm telling you. So let's hop into some news and see what's buzzing around in the market. S&P 500 jumps as techs emerge from recent beatdown. Yeah, got his ass whooped. I ain't gonna lie to you. But pretty much, we're in a bear market. If no one realized and no one wanted to believe it, we're definitely in a bear market. So let's take a look at the calendar. Calendar. I hope all y'all folks are doing out good out there, and y'all are doing fine, and you are not really too stressing. Go get some life insurance or something if you can't handle the stress. All right, simple. Or don't look at it. What am I looking for? I forgot what I was just looking for. Let me see. All right, so June 15, we have the Federal Reserve interest rate decisions. We need to keep an eye on that. June 15, not too far away, about a month or so. That's going to be very critical. That's going to be a huge factor for the next move. I think we're going to continue to just slowly recover a little bit until we get Federal Reserve Jay Powell in the building and see what he's going to be saying. Let's see if he's going to be flip-flopping. Let's see if he's going to be jumping ship. Let's see what's going to happen with Jay Powell on June 15. Let's see if it's going to be a hard landing or a soft landing, guys. Okay, let's see. Exclusive maker of Walmart, Amazon store brand infant formulas expect shortages through the rest of 2022. Already bad news. So baby formula shortages, that's coming up next. US FDA says the crisis will ease in coming weeks. Okay, let's see if there's a flip-flop. Mesa Airlines says 5% of its pilots jump ship to larger carriers in April. Damn, son. Y'all just jump out like that? Zoom video stock rebound from lows ahead of earnings. Twitter executive change aimed at building a stronger Twitter, CEO say. SEC sue Florida firm that raised 410 million from IPO link fraud filings. Okay. See. Mm-mm-mm-mm. All right. All right. S&P jumps. Analysts, big oil gets investors reprieve as energy worries Trump climate concerns. Musk says 44 billion Twitter deal on hold over fake account data. Some scamming always got to be happening, bro. Wall Street rallies at end of roller coaster week. Okay, I think it's just a day trade. Ride the wave up, and by J Powell meeting, we get sold off. It's like I see the picture playing out time and time again every day. Crypto exchange FTX CEO reveals stake in trading at Robinhood. We're gonna look at that and see if Robinhood react to that on the chart real quick. Let's just hop on the chart and see what Robinhood did to that. If there was any, I don't even know what's Robinhood ticker, honestly. Oh, it's Hood. Hood, yeah. Let's see what they did today. After hours, they did rock it up a little bit. Damn, Robinhood is was trading at $7. Damn, son. Got him. Yo, that's wild, man. Robinhood, you got robbed by the hood, bruv. From 85 to $7? Who robbed that hood, bro? They did have a little pop off that news, off that FTX news, yeah. Yep. They did get that pop. So day traders make a little money off that. We don't know if that's gonna continue next week. ABOT says ship millions of cans of infant formula from Ireland. Formula news is going crazy. U.S. House the way formula. God damn, you see? It's crazy news coming out about that formula. Damn, supply crisis, bro. Supply crisis. Crypto world stabilized. Bitcoin rallies after stablecoin slide. G7 back more aid weapon to Ukraine in show of unity against Russia. It's just pure chaotic negativity in the market at this moment. But this is the time where you take opportunity for you to get at a cheaper price, pretty much. I'm telling you guys. Just give it time. It's gonna recover once you have quality in your portfolio. So there was Buyer Growth and Poshmark. That's good news for them. See, Twitter CEO expects must deal to close, but is preparing for other scenarios. So that Twitter news is kind of looking a bit low me, if and but maybe so. We don't know how it's gonna go, but let's see with Twitter news and Elon Musk. Hope you guys, when you're watching it back, you like up the stream, comment down below. Let me know what you guys are doing with your portfolio, what you need me to take a look at, what's going on in the market. Let's just have a whole discussion and just talk about it. And folks, we're gonna close this one up today. So we should be back again live Sunday if we get the time. So until then, guys, I hope everyone is fine. I hope everyone is good. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. All right. Peace out.